Getting my camper ready to go camping this year. Got it out. We're soon going to be going camping. I stored my battery inside my garage because where this thing is stored for the winter, it's not kept warm. So my battery is climate controlled. So I'm going to get that installed. Makes that nice, installing the battery. Is having wing nuts. So throw the cap back on. Strap is sitting here, and we'll get that on. Alright, and anybody that owns their own camper probably knows there's some things you have to do for getting ready for camping season. So I'm gonna just get everything set up here. I'm not gonna put water in it yet, but just go through all the preliminaries. Get my cord out. Get it plugged in. I have a spot here in my garage that I made up as if you were going to your campsite. Simple. Alrighty. Nope, we got the turn the main switch on. Alright, let's see if we got lights. What do you know? Look at that. Alright, so just want to go through. We'll have to put a new battery in there. Check our fire extinguisher, that's looking good. See what else. Hopefully no issues with critters. We hopefully took care of that problem. Just for worrying about freezing issues, I take in remove all like your fittings and whatnot for your sink. Our sink cover up there for now. Actually, I think that kind of bowed a little bit for some reason. Yeah, interesting. Got a little bit of cleanup to do here. I don't see any sign of any critters. We didn't leave anything in it, so everything is looking good. We're gonna take, I'll check, battery should be good because it's pressure. Everything is empty. I think we're gonna fire up. Actually, I think we want this one. And there we go. I'm gonna fire up our heater. Let that run. Yeah. In the fridge. That all looks good. A little bit of wiping up to do there. And for some reason, I noticed this, and must have stayed wet or something. We don't really use that, so we're just gonna take that out, and we're gonna take some cleaner and clean that all up. And vinegar is a good tool for that. I also think the reason why this did this, these ended up getting stuck shut, and they need to stay open so moisture doesn't stay in there. So I have to come up with something to keep them open. But I ain't gonna fire that up yet because of I want to wipe it out. All right, let's check out the bathroom. We got the light. Oh, I gotta turn the other switch on. There we go. We got light in the bathroom. Tank looks good. Just a little bit of cleanup to do here. That's from the RV antifreeze. Simple, basic stuff. Bunk looks good. No signs of critters. I added that old ladder in there to make it easier to crawl up in there. There's my hammock, ready to go for when we go camping. So everything looks pretty well good. Why not? Let's fire up the radio. Turned on. Here's something. There, radio works. Turn that back off. All right, we're all set there. Oh wow, we have heater ready. Cool. Real simple. Got lights to check and all. Let's see if we can see. Oh, it looks like 60. And well, that's interesting. Well, I guess we'll see how it goes. But we should be about right. I guess in line there. So, everything's looking good here. We'll look in our fuse panel. Don't see nothing crazy there. And look in our storage areas. I do believe all that, because I only used this camper once since I bought it. I have another video on this, and hopefully I have that posted before this one. But yeah, there's lots of space there. I see no signs of critters, which makes me very happy. I did a little bit of spraying of peppermint oil in here, and it seemed to work quite well. But we might have to lube up some windows, possibly. Let's see, yeah, look at that. Oh, actually, it don't work too bad. I'll take some spray silicone and spray in the windows. Check this one. Oh, that opens beautifully. Storage up there. And anyway, this is my 2017 Keystone Passport. Let's try the TV. Won't probably do anything. Guess not. Ah, there we go. That works because we're on shore power, or 110, and we'll get a, I can't remember which is which. Yeah, that's the smoke alarm, and this is the CO detector. So I will have to get batteries for them. This here's for our antenna, for our radio. And more than likely right now we're not going to be using that guy. But this is my 2017 Keystone Passport. And there's all the connections and wire and whatnot for that. And actually the radio is what controls that for your DVD player and all. And you put the auxiliary in here, and then you're able to play through the DVD. If you have antenna hookup or campsite you go to, you can hook up actually an antenna wire to it. So now, big test here. We'll close the door. And we're gonna see. Sounds like our yeah, there it goes. Put the awning out. That gets some air for a while. You see it going out there. Unfortunately, I have to stay inside and push the button for it to go out. Oh. There we go. And then we'll flip the light on out there. This light here is very tricky to me because it's a little weird on how it works. And I don't know if there's supposed to be a switch thing there, but sometimes you hit it one way and then another and it works. And I might try and swap that out before I go camping. So like I said, I don't know if there's supposed to be a knob on that thing or what it's supposed to be, but I think we're gonna stop down the RV place and take this thing out, take it with, and see if they have something better. Because to me, that there's just a little weird. It doesn't make it very easy. But we do have our light on our stove here. Fan works. Do some cooking inside when it's cold out. I guess we'll fire one of them up. Beautiful. So that all set there. Sounds like the heat kicked off already. Oops. Just to be sure. Yep. I think we'll leave it set at that. It's at like 65. But that's good. So we have a little bit of cleanup with that. Turn this off. Because when I go camping for peace and quiet. I don't really listen to radios or anything like that. So, very exciting. Outside. There. You can check out my light. And also we do have speakers out here for the radio if you do care to listen. So, there we hear the exhaust from the heater. I kind of, in a way, wish it went on the ground, or then again, if you're cold outside, you can stand here and warm up. And I know there's a quick connect here to hook up for gas, and I'm gonna bring my little propane heater. Let's see if I can get a line for that. But we're gonna grab a tire gauge and I'll go around and check the rest of the stuff. But I think it's just part one. A lot in this video, a little long. Just going around how to check your RV to get ready for camping. So thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and keep on wrenching.